Okay, so today is Emerald City Comic Con, and of course you can see we are pretty late on the game. We haven't hunted all day. I picked up Ethan just now, and it's about 4 or 5 hours after opening. So I'm pretty sure there was probably lots of people who waited in line, and I was not one of them. But I've done a couple of hunts already on, conventions. I know exactly what it's like. But today, you know what we're going to do? We're going to find out what it's like after the rush. And we've already seen what it's like during the rush, so now we'll see the difference. Like if you come 5 or 6 hours later, is there any more pops available? What's going on? And we'll go from there. We're going to go check out Hot Topic, Box Lunch, and GameStop right now at the mall. And then from there, we're going to go to a couple other stores that do have exclusives, the Emerald City Comic Con exclusives, to see what the outlook is, to see what's left, and do some shopping. All right, you guys, let's go. Ready, then?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to go check out GameStop first, see if they have anything. I believe you're supposed to pre-order the barber, but of course I didn't do that. So we'll see. Look at this, Funko Pops for $5. Everybody seems to be having their Pops for $5 these days. Even an exclusive for $5? Uh-oh, here we go.
I want to get this one.
Oh, you want to get that one?
Yeah.
What do you do with it?
It's in a Lego land where you have to find stuff and play the world.
Oh.
I want to get this, I want to get this.
Okay, let's go and see if they have any. Oh, you only have 3 left, huh? 3 left. Of the exclusive ones, Ethan. You see your Switch over there?
Yeah.
See that?
I want to get this.
I don't think I'm gonna pick one up. Very nice though. Ethan has toys. Hot Topic. If there's any more left, it is about 3:30 right now, so they do have a couple left. They have the Parks and Recreation. That's about it from all that, huh? Maybe it's in the back, I don't know. But Pickle Rick, they got the Pickle Rick ones, and the Harley Quinn. The Harley Quinn. Whoa, diamond one for the glittery. And they got the, I wonder how much these are. Let's look at the price on it. $30. $30. What?
Okay.
Tom is super funny.
How much trouble would a manager get?
And back if there's any over here. I'm gonna go check the back too, just to make sure. Man, I bet those things went fast. The Rick and Morty ones. Yep, so this is what you get when you come in 5 hours after 10. I'm pretty sure they open at 10. Nothing in the back as well that I can see. All sold out, you guys. All the Rick and Mortys are sold out at Hot Topic. But of course, it varies from city to city. I have a feeling the one in Tracy might still have some available because they don't have a lot of collectors out there. And Ethan his game. But yeah, it's not over here. Hey. What's in here? Let's see. Hi. It's usually in the front. So let's look at the front. If it's anything, it will be over here. I don't see. Oh, I do see some. It's over here. Look. Ta-da. Really don't want to go shopping around. Yes, please. 2 of the Army Man and a Kinder Egg surprise for Ethan. But look what I saw on the Venom Pool. Not an exclusive, but dang, might as well be an exclusive. It looks so nice. And then they also have an exclusive right here, the Sailor Moon. Still looking for the Walmart one. What we got? We got the Goku Flying Nimbus. We got the Future Trunks. Jeez. Whisk. What does it taste like?
Chocolate. And there's some white chocolate on the top. Yummy. Well done.
Okay, let's see if they have any of the exclusives for, I believe it's a She-Hulk that was supposed to be at Toys R Us. I know that it was out maybe a day or two ago already. Saw a lot of people picking those up, you know, prior to the con. So we're just gonna check it out real quick since Toys R Us is next to the mall. Look at that. You think you like that one? The Sonic with the ring. Very nice.
Mommy,
Yeah?
look how far away it is.
Let me see.
Look.
Yeah, that thing's pretty loud, you think?
That's when you press that.
Yep, it's not here, you guys. So, let's go, Ethan. Go to the next one. Okay, let's go and check out Barnes & Noble, see if they got any exclusives left. Highly doubt it. Very highly doubt it. But, you know, gotta check. Oh, let's see what they got. Oh, an aisle somewhere. We'll go and find it. Wow. Check that. Is she pretty? Huh, why are you running away? Guess that's a no.
Look, there's glass here. Mommy, there's glass here.
Yeah, there is. Oh my god, Game of Thrones.
Mommy, there's glass.
Oh wow. Oh, be careful.
There's glass.
The registers will take care of this.
Alright, so the last shop we're hitting up is FYE, and I believe they probably have a lot of the giant, is it Game of Thrones, I want to say? Because a lot of times you'll only pick it up if you're a big fan, because a lot of people don't collect those big ones. I, for a fact, don't. So we'll go and check it out to see if they have any left, and we're going to pre-order the Pennywise. If you have a FYE near you, go and pre-order the Pennywise right now. They are limited on pre-orders as well. I don't even know if you can do it online, so gotta go do it today. Alright, let's go.
I think I know how to use it.
You know how to open the door now?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah? Oh yeah, your hoverboard's over there. Okay, let's go check it out.
Check out the key.
They changed it around, you guys. I missed out on a week, and they changed the whole store around. Yeah, they definitely did. Because here's all the Funko Pops. It's on this side of the house.
Wait, where's all the candy now?
Oh, right here. Here's all the candy. Right next to the Funko Pops, yeah. Let's see if they have the, what am I thinking of? What am I thinking of? I'm thinking of Daryl. That's it, Daryl.
Over here?
Okay, there is 3 left of these guys. And let's check the price on it. Where'd it go? Where's the price? There's no price on it, but I'm thinking it's at least 20 bucks. 20 or 30 maybe. Oh yeah? What? Huge. And the boxes are in okay condition. Giant white.
Send an email to Paul or Jeffy, which is good.
And they also have the poison ivy over here. The bombshell. You picking one up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But they all came kind of all messed up.
Yeah, huh?
I always watch YouTube.
Oh, cool. Thanks.
You and Ethan.
Yeah, he's running around somewhere. Yeah, it doesn't have a price tag on it.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, I was looking all over for it too.
Oh, he's gonna tell me right now.
Mommy.
Maybe like 29,
Yeah, something like that.
give or take, huh?
This one.
Look at that. They got the 24. We were close. And a whole bunch of the giants here still. Check that. And these glow in the dark. But I don't want to have to get it because Ethan already got the common one and I don't collect them. But yeah, they got plenty of the giants right here, as well as a lot of the trap jaw. Then they have some over here.
Oh, Mommy,
Yeah.
this is a mystery
The mystery one.
flavor.
Ethan, I found a chase. Right here. Look, 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 look. Bam! That's the chase right there.
Mommy,
Yeah. He's like, whatever.
Mommy. We don't see her. They have a new one. Pickle.
What?
That's a new one.
That's a huge pickle, Ethan.
That's a new one.
Yeah, it is.
Wait, we have to get the movie. Oh, Splatoon.
Hey, that's just like the game you bought. Right?
But it's not a part. It's just part one. Cuphead. Cuphead.
Mm-hmm.
Cuphead.
What is this? Oh, it's just,
You have to open it.
this one's a little different from the other one.
What's the? Wait.
And then this is for your car. Copyrighted music. Oh dang, look, they got a whole bunch of them, you guys. Sick. Let's look for a good box. Ugh. There's got to be one nice box out of this, right? And I know there's a lot of people out there saying, why are you so picky on boxes? Hey, if you have the choice, there's plenty of options. You might as well look for one that you actually will like.
Mommy.
Yeah, Ethan.
Let's go.
Oh man, look at his bobblehead, or his head. It's like not even connected to his neck.
Let me see.
See, his neck is coming out. He's got like a double chin, you guys. Double chin. Look at the other ones. It doesn't do that. See? Sure looks like Daryl though, huh? And then the blood splatter. Sorry, picked one up, but alright, so time for our haul. What did you get, Ethan? Ta-da! And your game?
Oh, I forgot.
And he already ate his Kinder Egg surprise.
No, I already did.
Yeah, so now we don't have that to share. But his little game right there,
Legoland.
Legoland. and my haul. So I didn't pick up too much because, you know, a lot of the stuff was gone. There was no more Rick and Morty at Hot Topic. But I did go to Lunchbox, my bad. I'm looking right at it and I read it wrong. Okay, so I did pick up 2 of the Army Man. And they gave us a really nice bag. I was like, what the heck? Are you sure I don't have to pay for that? But, and I did try to pick out the best boxes there. And then I also picked up 2 of the Daryl Dixon at FYE. I was surprised they had a lot. Even the guy that worked there was like, he was surprised there was so many left over because of the pre-orders. But I did pre-order 3. Yeah, I picked up 3 of the Pennywise FY exclusive, which should be coming out in May. So again, if you really want to get the Pennywise exclusive that's coming out in May, go and pre-order right now. They are limited on those. I picked up 3 of them because it was like you buy 2 and you get 1 for 75% off. So, and also I have their discounted thing, so it was a little cheaper for me. But we're gonna go ahead and do a subscriber trivia real quick. Alright, so we're going to do a subscriber trivia real quick, and the prize that you can win will be one of the, you can either choose between the Daryl, which is the FYE exclusive, very nice pop, that's why I pick up 2. Again, if you guys see me picking up 2 of something, it's usually because it's going towards a subscriber trivia or a giveaway. And again, the giveaway will be for the 5,000 giveaway. It'll be for a horror theme. So hopefully, you know, I have enough time to find more Funko Pops for the 5K, because I don't think we're going to hit 5K anytime soon. But the other choice will be the Army Man. So those are your 2 choices. So subscriber trivia is...
Subscribe if you want me to eat this.
Eat it, Ethan. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Okay, so subscriber trivia this week is going to be name one of the subscribers that we shouted out on our last video. So if you go back to our last video, it's in the video somewhere. I did do a shout out on 3 subscribers. So if you can name at least one of them, comment down below. And that's pretty much it. So again, good luck you guys, and hopefully you're watching this so you can participate in it to win one of the 2018 Emerald Comic Con Funko Pop or the Daryl Dixon FYE exclusive. So again, you guys, thank you so much for following us on this crazy hunt today, and we're gonna go to McDonald's and then go home. So happy hunting, and we will be at the San Jose Toy Show this weekend. If you guys are going, please come up to us and say hi if you guys recognize us. And if you are just going to stand there and look at us, sometimes it gets a little creepy. You know, it's like a little borderline stalkerish. So just go ahead and say hi to us. We don't bite. Maybe Ethan might bark a little, but that's pretty much it. Alright, so I'll see you guys all on the next video.
Bye.
Bye.